sky that wonderful cloud goes. Hoping you can hear the thunder off of it. Look at that beautiful rain. There's a rainbow over here. You can barely see it. Comes down right before the power line on the right. And we're starting to get a couple of droplets here, but it looks like Crystal's getting way more than us.